Hi there and welcome. If you're dreaming of speaking Hindi confidently, you're in the right place. I'm about to take you on a complete tour of Rocket Hindi, where you'll see exactly how everything fits together to make learning not just possible, but powerful. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Rocket Hindi, including how to follow the course structure from beginning to end, how to easily navigate between lessons and modules, the different types of lessons, and how they build your skills. Powerful tools like Rocket Record and the role-playing activities, how you can track your progress and stay motivated, and where to get help or join our learner community. So, how is your Rocket Hindi course organized? Let's dive in. Here we are on the dashboard, the heart of your Rocket Hindi course, where all your lessons and learning tools come together in one easy-to-navigate place. Take a look at the left-hand menu. Here you'll find all the modules of Rocket Hindi. The course contains hundreds of hours of content, so whether you're just starting out or sharpening your skills, everything you need is ready and waiting. There are 4 core types of lessons in Rocket Hindi: audio lessons, language and culture lessons, writing lessons, and survival kit lessons. Each one plays a key role in building a full understanding of Hindi. Let's break them down. First up, the audio lessons, your go-to for listening and speaking practice. These feature everyday conversations broken down by our expert tutors. Each lesson revolves around one realistic dialogue, so you hear Hindi the way it's actually spoken.
नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप? मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ और आप? धन्यवाद।
You might be thinking, hearing Hindi is great, but how will you practice speaking it yourself? That's where role-playing comes in. This feature lets you jump right into the conversation, saying the lines of one character as if it were real life.
शुभ दिन।
Shubh din.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम निकिता है.
कहाँ से आई हैं?
मैं अमेरिका से आई हूँ.
आप अच्छी हिंदी बोलती हैं।
थोड़ी सी. मुझे सीखना पसंद है. And if you're like me, you'll want to practice a few more times to get it just right. All of this is powered by Rocket Record, our voice recognition tool, found throughout the course. Play a phrase, record yourself, and get scored instantly.
अपने बारे में बातचीत.
अपने बारे में बातचीत. You can even replay your own recording to hear exactly where you can improve. अपने बारे में बातचीत. Rocket Record is a big reason why so many learners build real speaking confidence with Rocket Hindi. Each audio lesson also includes an extra vocabulary section, a treasure trove of bonus words and phrases. And don't miss the activities section at the bottom, designed to lock in what you've learned from all angles. First up, flashcards. Flip between English and Hindi and rate how easy or hard you found each phrase. Marked a phrase as hard? No worries. It'll be saved for extra practice. Then there's listening. Hear a native speaker, repeat what you hear, and get your rating.
महान.
Mahan. Speaking is another favorite. See the English prompt, say the Hindi out loud. Mahan.
महान.
And build faster recall, just like real conversation. Next, test yourself with the quiz. Short, sharp, multiple choice questions that reinforce your understanding. Down here, you'll also find the extra tool, Composing Devanagari.
शुभ दिन.
This activity helps you arrange words you hear into the correct order. It's a great way to practice both listening and sentence building. Now let's jump back to the dashboard and head to a language and culture lesson. Audio lessons build conversation. Language and culture lessons build understanding, showing you how Hindi grammar, structure, and vocabulary all fit together. With clear examples, you'll quickly move beyond memorize and into real communication.
मैं एक यात्री हूँ.
मैं एक यात्री हूँ. If you're looking to deepen your learning experience, you can switch from the Romanization to just English and Devanagari. Just click the cog and toggle the Show Romanization option off. It's simple and tailors your practice to your needs. At the end of each lesson, you'll find fascinating culture notes covering customs, history, and travel tips, essential for anyone planning a trip to India. And of course, our helpful activities. Now let's hop back to check out the writing lessons. These lessons feature videos showing you exactly how to handwrite Hindi. Great for reinforcing your alphabet skills and a lot of fun too. Learning to write is essential for mastering Hindi. These lessons will develop that skill so you can communicate clearly with native speakers. Finally, the bonus lessons included with every purchase, the survival kits. These can be thought of as essential vocabulary sets designed to enhance your word recognition skills on common subjects you'll encounter when you're out there speaking Hindi. Feel free to sprinkle these in anytime you want to expand your word bank fast. As you go through the course, you'll see this heart on all the phrases. Use it to favorite them and build a custom vocabulary set for any words or phrases that you find challenging or just want to revisit. Before we wrap up, let's look at a few bonus tools you'll also love. If you want a motivational boost, you can check your leaderboard position, points, and streaks here. You'll also see these on the top right of your dashboard, wherever you are in the course. Over in the Tools section, you can track your progress using the benchmark test. This short test is a great way to revisit any gaps in your knowledge. If you're looking for something more in-depth, then under Rocket Certification, you'll find a longer form quiz, where you can test if you have understood everything that was covered in the specific module. For questions about what else Rocket has to offer, that's gift vouchers and a family plan to make learning a shared experience, head to our Rocket Recommend section. If you ever have questions about Hindi grammar or just want to chat with other learners, head over to the Rocket Hindi forum. And if you need help at any time, just click your avatar to open the help center. You'll find FAQs and can reach out to our friendly team. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you're excited to dive in. With Rocket Hindi's powerful lessons and tools, your language learning journey is just getting started. See you inside the course.